Okay. I want to talk about meat. Meat eaters, do not be offended. Okay. Animals are abused and killed in horrific ways. Their throats are cut while still alive. They have to bleed to death. Baby chicks are ground up and stuffed in garbage bags to suffocate. We believe that eating meat, we believe that eating meat from these animals is wrong and should be illegal. Please, if you can vote and leave a comment to help. These are for animals. And there's a video about it.
Oh, I can't really see it.
That's okay. Okay. And it is called Farm to Fridge if you want to watch it. And we're just going to show you a short film, like a clip.
In the next few minutes, you will be given an eye-opening look behind the closed doors of modern farms, hatcheries, and slaughter plants, revealing the journey that animals make from farm to fridge. For nearly their entire 4-month pregnancies, mother sows are locked in narrow metal stalls barely larger than their own bodies. Many of the animals develop open sores and scratches. Workers often kick, hit, and yell at pigs to move them. Soon after birth, piglets are castrated by workers who cut into their skin and rip out their testicles.
Okay, that's it. You guys can watch the rest of the video
By yourself. Thanks. Leave a comment!